Hey everyone, welcome to Weiler's channel. Today I'll show you how to set up remote desktop on Windows 11. Let's open File Explorer. Let's say right here. Select this PC and properties. Here we need to choose remote desktop. Click and enable this option. There. Now someone can connect to you using remote desktop. They'll need to use remote desktop connection and enter your PC name. Yes, like this, or use your IP address. We need the IPv4 address. Find it via command prompt, type ipconfig, look for the IPv4 address. That's all, folks. This is Weiler, signing off. Take care.